Can't sleep because of bloating or constant burping? Here's the quick home fix you need tonight. Welcome to our channel. Today we're going to dive into a common issue that millions of us grapple with every night, the uncomfortable sensation of bloating and burping, which often stands in the way of a truly restful night's sleep. If you've ever woken up in the middle of the night feeling bloated and distended, or constantly burping without relief, only to wake up the next morning exhausted and sluggish despite spending enough time in bed, then you've come to the right place. You are not alone in this struggle. These digestive symptoms can disrupt not just your sleep, but also your energy, mood, and productivity throughout the day. I completely understand how frustrating and debilitating it can be, seriously impacting your quality of life. But here's the good news: effective solutions exist. In this comprehensive video, we're not only going to dive deep into the root causes of why you experience nighttime bloating and burping, but more importantly, I'll be sharing a range of simple, proven, and completely actionable home remedies and solutions. We'll explore secrets to alleviate these uncomfortable symptoms and finally achieve the deep, restorative sleep you deserve. Get ready to take notes or save this video, because this will be your comprehensive guide to a healthier digestive system and a restful night's sleep. However, before we dive into the details, I need to emphasize something crucially important. The information in this video is for general informational and educational purposes only. It is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease, and it should not be taken as a substitute for professional medical advice. If you have any health concerns, or if your symptoms are severe, persistent, or accompanied by other unusual signs, please consult a qualified healthcare professional or doctor. Your health is your top priority, and seeking personalized professional advice is essential. All right, let's begin our journey to better digestive health and sleep. To truly address bloating and burping, especially when they disrupt your sleep, it's crucial to understand their nature. Bloating is an uncomfortable sensation where your abdomen feels tight, swollen, or full of gas, often due to an excessive accumulation of gas in the intestines or fluid retention. This feeling can range from mild to moderate, leaving you feeling heavy, uneasy, and sometimes accompanied by mild pain or cramping, much like having a gas balloon stuck inside you. Burping, also known as belching, is the act of releasing gas from the upper digestive tract, primarily from the esophagus and stomach through the mouth. It's typically a natural bodily response to release air you've swallowed while eating, drinking, or even talking. However, when burping becomes excessively frequent or uncontrollable, it signals a significant gas buildup or an underlying digestive issue. While both symptoms are normal physiological responses, when they become too frequent, persistent, or occur at undesirable times like nighttime, they truly become a cause for concern, directly impacting your quality of life. So what are the common causes of bloating and burping? We can categorize them into three main groups. First, dietary factors are the leading culprit in most cases. Certain foods, when fermented by bacteria in our large intestine, produce a significant amount of gas. Classic examples include legumes like black beans, lentils, and chickpeas, which contain oligosaccharides. Cruciferous vegetables such as cabbage, broccoli, cauliflower, and Brussels sprouts containing raffinose and sulfur. And onions and garlic, which contain fructans. Even some fruits like apples, pears, mangoes, and cherries can cause bloating due to their high fructose content or other fermentable sugars. To minimize their impact, soaking beans overnight, thoroughly cooking vegetables, or trying garlic-infused oil can be helpful. Hard-to-digest foods such as fatty, fried, or overly spicy dishes slow down the gastric emptying process, meaning food stays in your stomach longer, allowing more time for fermentation or discomfort. For many, lactose in dairy products or gluten in wheat and barley can cause inflammatory reactions or indigestion, leading to bloating and burping. Artificial sweeteners like sorbitol, mannitol, and xylitol, often found in sugar-free candies and diet drinks, are also not fully absorbed and can cause fermentation and gas. Beyond specific foods, poor eating habits also play a significant role. Eating too fast, swallowing food without proper chewing, drinking through straws, or consuming carbonated beverages directly introduce a large amount of air into your digestive tract. Chewing gum is also a common culprit, as constant chewing leads to swallowing more air. The second group of causes relates to lifestyle habits. Eating late or too close to bedtime is a primary reason why the problem worsens at night, as our digestive system slows down significantly as we prepare for rest. Stress also plays a strong role. The gut-brain connection is powerful, and stress can activate the sympathetic nervous system, slowing down digestion. A lack of physical activity can contribute to constipation and bloating, as movement helps stimulate gut motility and efficiently move food and gas through the digestive tract. Lastly, smoking not only introduces air into the stomach, but can also negatively affect overall digestive function. Finally, underlying medical conditions are where a doctor's intervention is needed. Conditions such as irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, gastroesophageal reflux disease, GERD, functional dyspepsia, gut microbiome, imbalanced dysbiosis, or small intestinal bacterial overgrowth, SIBO, various food intolerances or allergies, chronic constipation, H. pylori infection, hiatal hernia, or even side effects of certain medications can all lead to bloating and burping. So why do these symptoms worsen at night? There are clear physiological reasons. When you lie down, gravity no longer assists in moving gas or food downward through the digestive tract as it does when you're standing or sitting, causing gas to get trapped more easily. Digestive processes also slow down significantly at night. If you eat a large meal, especially one rich in fats, difficult to digest proteins, or gas-producing foods right before sleep, your body will struggle to process them, leading to gas accumulation and bloating. Your body's hormonal cycle and circadian rhythm also shift at night, influencing gut motility and food processing. Certain sleeping positions can further increase abdominal pressure or promote acid reflux. Finally, the stress and anxiety accumulated during the day can carry over into the night, affecting your enteric nervous system and exacerbating digestive issues as you try to relax. And for many, dinner is often the largest meal or may contain more potentially irritating foods compared to breakfast or lunch. Understanding these causes and mechanisms empowers you to realize that we have more control than we think. Now let's move on to the most important part: home remedies. These are practical changes you can start implementing today to significantly improve bloating, burping, and achieve better sleep. The majority of bloating and burping issues stem from what and how we eat, making dietary and eating habit adjustments the first and most crucial step toward digestive comfort. To avoid and limit problematic foods, especially in the evening, be mindful of gas-producing foods such as legumes, e.g., black beans, lentils, chickpeas containing oligosaccharides, cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cabbage, cauliflower with raffinose and sulfur, and onions and garlic, which contain fructans. Even some high-fructose fruits like apples, pears, mangoes, and cherries can cause bloating due to their fermentable sugars. To reduce their impact, soaking beans overnight, thoroughly cooking vegetables, or trying garlic-infused oil can be helpful. Carbonated drinks and chewing gum also directly introduce gas into your digestive tract. Fatty and fried foods significantly slow down gastric emptying, increasing the risk of fermentation and gas production. Healthier cooking methods are preferred. Artificial sweeteners like sorbitol, mannitol, and xylitol, commonly found in sugar-free candies and diet drinks, are poorly absorbed and ferment in the gut. For those with lactose intolerance, dairy products can cause bloating and cramping. Consider lactose-free options or plant-based milks. Finally, while fiber is essential, a sudden increase can shock your system, so gradually increase intake and drink plenty of water. Equally important is prioritizing easily digestible foods and adopting smart eating habits. Opt for lean proteins such as skinless chicken, fish, tofu, and eggs. Cooked green vegetables like spinach, carrots, and pumpkin are easier to digest than raw ones. And if sensitive to gluten, choose gluten-free whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, and certified gluten-free oats. Fresh ginger, peppermint, and fennel seeds are excellent herbs known to reduce bloating spasms and release gas. You can brew them into teas or chew a few fennel seeds after meals. Regarding eating habits, eating slowly and chewing thoroughly minimizes air swallowing and aids enzyme function. Avoid talking while eating, don't overeat. Instead, aim for smaller, more frequent meals, and crucially avoid eating close to bedtime, at least 2-3 hours before sleep, to allow ample digestion time. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water between meals, but avoid excessive drinking during meals to prevent diluting stomach acid. Also steer clear of straws, as they can lead to swallowing more air. These changes, though seemingly minor, can profoundly impact your digestive system and sleep quality. Begin implementing them tonight and consistently stick with them. You'll likely notice a significant difference. Beyond diet, our lifestyle plays a crucial role in regulating digestive health and sleep quality, especially how we manage stress, a frequently overlooked factor with profound digestive effects. Regarding physical activity, A gentle 15 to 20-minute walk after dinner can be an excellent remedy, helping to promote gut motility and efficient gas movement. Regular moderate activity throughout the day also supports healthy bowel movements and stress relief. The gut-brain connection is incredibly complex and powerful. Stress can slow down digestion and trigger symptoms like bloating, making stress management absolutely essential. Dedicate 10 to 15 minutes to meditation or deep breathing exercises before bed to calm your nervous system. Gentle evening yoga or stretching can also help reduce abdominal pressure and relax muscles. Opt for reading a book or listening to relaxing music instead of using electronic devices before sleep, and a warm bath can further aid relaxation. Your sleeping position can significantly impact how gas moves through your digestive tract and whether stomach acid refluxes. If you frequently experience acid reflux causing heartburn and burping at night, elevating the head of your bed by about 6 to 8 inches 15 to 20 centimeters can be an effective solution, as gravity helps keep stomach acid in its proper place. Sleeping on your left side is also widely recommended as the best position for digestion, given that our stomach is on the left side of our body, helping to keep food and acid properly positioned. Finally, ensuring good sleep hygiene is crucial. Maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, ensuring your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool, and avoiding caffeine and alcohol in the evening are foundational elements for quality sleep, which in turn supports your digestive system. These lifestyle adjustments not only directly help reduce bloating and burping, but also improve your overall health, mood, and energy throughout the day. Nature has provided us with many herbs and compounds that can help support digestion and alleviate uncomfortable symptoms like bloating and burping. These are natural allies you can consider using at home. However, it's crucially important to always consult your doctor or pharmacist before using any herbs or supplements, especially if you are taking prescription medications, have any underlying health conditions, or are pregnant, breastfeeding, as drug interactions and side effects are possible. Herbal teas are an excellent way to incorporate the benefits of herbs into your daily diet. Ginger tea is a powerful carminative helping to reduce bloating, gas, and cramps by promoting gas movement through the digestive tract, and also possesses anti-inflammatory properties. Peppermint tea, with its active ingredient menthol, helps relax smooth muscles in the digestive tract, reducing spasms and allowing gas to escape more easily. Chamomile tea is well known for its calming, anti-inflammatory, and antispasmodic properties, making it ideal for pre-sleep consumption. Fennel seed tea aids in relaxing the gut and releasing trapped gas. Licorice root tea can soothe irritated stomach and esophageal linings, though caution is advised if you have high blood pressure. Additionally, natural supplements can support digestion. Probiotics are beneficial live bacteria that help restore and maintain a healthy balance of gut microbiota, improving digestion and reducing discomfort. Digestive enzymes break down food into smaller absorbable molecules, proving especially useful if you lack certain enzymes or struggle with large meals. Magnesium, an essential mineral, helps relax muscles, reducing spasms and bloating, and also has a mild laxative effect and supports sleep. Activated charcoal can absorb gas and toxins in the intestines, offering quick relief for acute bloating, but note that it should not be taken simultaneously with medications or main meals. Finally, warm lemon water can stimulate the digestive system, promote bowel movements, and support the production of stomach acid. While these natural remedies can be powerful allies for your digestive system, always listen to your body and exercise caution when trying anything new. We've embarked on a comprehensive journey together, exploring bloating, burping, and their connection to sleep. I hope you found this information insightful and feel empowered to make positive changes in your life. Remember, improving digestive health and sleep is a process, not an overnight miracle solution. Everyone's digestive system is unique, and what works for one person may not be a perfect fit for another. The key is to be patient with yourself, take small steps, and most importantly, listen to your body. Every small change, whether adjusting your diet, improving lifestyle habits, or incorporating natural remedies, can make a significant difference over time, leading to remarkable improvements in your sleep quality and overall well-being. You deserve a restful night's sleep, undisturbed by the discomfort of bloating or burping. By consistently applying these comprehensive strategies, you're not just addressing a specific problem, you're making a smart investment in your overall health and long-term happiness. Give yourself time to change and never give up hope for a more comfortable and energized life. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by hitting the like button below. It truly helps our channel grow and spread useful information to more people. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on other valuable content about health, nutrition, and lifestyle that we'll continuously share. Leave a comment below, share your experiences, what you've learned today, or any questions you might have. I'm eager to read and respond to your thoughts. And finally, please share this video with anyone you think might be struggling with bloating, burping, and poor sleep quality. Together, we can create a healthier community and help even more people find comfort in their lives. Thank you so much for taking your valuable time to watch this video. Always take good care of yourself, and I sincerely wish you many restful, bloat-free, burp-free nights so you can wake up every morning feeling energized and ready to embrace a new day. I'll see you in the next video.